Welcome to Precision Reviews, where we do unboxings, tests, news and reviews. So today we have a special guest. It's Realme GT. It's a phone I've been waiting for since a long time, and now I have it. I just ordered it with my money, so no partnership, no bullshit. So I've just received the phone. I have ordered the phone on AliExpress. It was pretty cheap, and it's pretty cheap for what it offers. It's really a flagship killer, like we said, and you have a lot bang for your buck. And I just received it. I ordered it like 2 days ago. That's quite really fast. So I ordered the variant with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Sorry for this video, it will be very fast and quick because I want to share with you this exclusivity I have because the phone just released. In this beautiful black box you have the SIM ejector. So the first thing you will see, that's it, little accessory, but it's still quite handy when you use really a phone and you put your SIM in it. And then what we have, so we have also the case. As usual, I had the X2 Pro in the past and a case was in it, and in fact I have several Realme phones and they always include a case. And when you have a new phone and you didn't have the time to order a case, so you can protect it right away, so that's great, that's really handy, really practical. You have also a user guide in several language, English, Dutch, French. Quite useful. We don't never use it, but it's good to have it. And with this user guide, what we have after, and then inside it's empty, nothing to see. So now let's see the start of the show. The phone, right? Oh no, just before, let's look at the case. So the case, it's nice, it's well made, but you know, it's the minimal. It's not like the Speak and Grade or the other great manufacturers we know. So no, I would say it's a good start, but obviously we have to change it if you like your phone, at least. So now take a look at the phone. It's still with its plastic. Now we are going to remove the plastic, so let's hear together this beautiful noise. So here you have the phone, and what I can say is that the quality is great. It's the same quality than the X2 Pro for the one that have it or had it, and I love it. I think it's a great quality. It's flagship quality. You don't hear some noise, or you have really noise, or you have really great finish. The finish is in gray, but in fact, in reality, the phone looks blue with gray in the middle. So I choose this color because the other variant is I think it's 12 GB and 256 GB. So that's the really high-end model, the entry on quads model in this one, and the finish is great. I really think and this effect in the middle where you have, in fact, indeed, the gray color is really well executed. So now let's see what are the accessories in the box. So you have a USB-C cable. The quality is great. It feels very sturdy, like every Realme phones I had and OnePlus phone. They do really sturdy and great cables. And earphones that, as you can see in the video, but they don't deserve to be shown. They are really cheap. They're just here to be here. And this super dart charger is 65 watt, and the manufacturer says you can charge your phone in 35 minutes, but really fast. Now get back in the phone, and wow, damn, This phone is beautiful. As you can see, the camera is a little bigger, like 1 or 2 millimeters on top of the phone, but doesn't look like big on the Samsung Note 20 and 20 Ultra to be precise. And you have the volume key on the left, and power button in little yellow accent on the right, and you have a 3.5mm jack at the bottom with the USB-C port. That's a great hat. Thanks Realme. We need phones with a 3.5mm jack, even if it's the area of the Bluetooth and wireless. When you don't have battery, you're happy to have it. And I'm just doing a quick boot up on the phone just to give you the specs. I think you already know them, but just to give you a small background about this device. It was launched back in China in March. It had been announced for India and has been confirmed to come to the European markets as well, and it just came to the European market end of June, at least in France. The Realme GT 5G is positioned in the mid-range category, but it's powered by Snapdragon 888, so it will be getting a lot of attention for this year. That's why I bought it. Pretty much. The phone has a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. The design is conventional, glass on the back with shiny edges around the frame. These edges and the back glass attract fingerprints, like you can see in the video. Here you go. This phone reminds me a lot the Realme 6, but the reflective pattern on the back is different. The Realme GT 5G, like we call it, feels light, compact and easy to hold. To conclude, the phone comes well equipped with an in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo loudspeakers, 3.5mm headphone jack, Android 11 based, Realme UI 2.0, a 65-watt charger is included in the box like we saw before. There is also a triple camera setup. I do wish there was a dedicated telephoto camera, but can't have everything at this price. Other specs for the Realme GT 5G include a 45,000 mAh battery, 8GB or 12GB of RAM with 128 or 256GB of storage. Of course, it's UFS 3.1, a 60 megapixel punch-hole selfie camera. I will do a review in, I don't know, 1, 2 or more weeks. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments below. I would be happy to answer it or to cover it in the review. See you at the next time. Peace!